Do you want to speak English? Do you feel stuck? Many people study English for years, but they cannot speak. They read books, watch lessons, and take notes, but when it is time to talk, they are silent. Why? Because studying is not enough. Speaking is the key. In this video, we will show you how to stop studying and start talking. But first, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. This way, you will never miss our English lessons. Now, let's begin. 1. Change your mindset. Most people believe they must study English before they can speak. This is wrong. You don't need perfect grammar or a big vocabulary to start talking. Think about children. They don't study, they listen and speak. You must do the same. Accept mistakes. Speak with confidence. The goal is communication, not perfection. Many learners feel afraid of making mistakes. They think, what if I say something wrong? But mistakes are a natural part of learning. When you were a child, you made many mistakes before you learned to walk. Speaking English is the same. The more you try, the better you will become. 2. Speak from day one. Many learners wait until they feel ready. But if you wait, you will never start. Speaking is not the result of learning. It is the way to learn. Start today. Even if you know only a few words, use them. Talk to yourself. Describe your actions. Say simple sentences like, I am drinking water. I am going to work. This small habit will build your confidence. If you practice every day, you will see progress. In 1 month, you will feel more comfortable. In 3 months, you will speak faster. In 6 months, you will be much better. The key is to start and keep going. 3. Listen more, speak more. Listening is the secret to good speaking. Listen to natural English every day. But don't just listen. Copy what you hear. Pause the audio and repeat. Imitate the speaker's pronunciation, speed, and tone. This is called shadowing. It helps you sound more natural. Find English content that you enjoy. If you like stories, listen to English stories. If you like sports, listen to English sports news. The more you listen, the more words and phrases you will learn. Then, use those words in your speaking. 4. Think in English. If you always translate in your head, speaking will be slow. Stop thinking in your native language. Start thinking in English. Use simple words for daily life. Instead of thinking, I need to go to the store, say it in English in your mind. This will train your brain to process English faster. A good exercise is to name objects around you in English. When you see a tree, say tree in your mind. When you see a car, say car. This small habit will help you think in English naturally. 5. Ask and answer questions. A conversation is like a tennis game. You hit the ball. The other person hits it back. If you only answer with short replies, the conversation dies. Practice asking questions. What do you think about this? Why do you like that? Can you tell me more? This will help you speak more. If you don't know how to continue a conversation, use follow-up questions. For example, if someone says, I like pizza, you can ask, what is your favorite topping? Or, where do you usually eat pizza? This keeps the conversation going. 6. Use what you know. Many learners stop speaking because they don't know a word. Don't stop. Find another way. If you don't know refrigerator, say big cold box. If you don't know restaurant, say place for food. Communication is about making people understand. Be creative with your words. The goal is not to use difficult words. The goal is to communicate. Even if you use simple words, people will understand you. And the more you speak, the more words you will learn. 7. Join conversations. You cannot learn to swim without water. You cannot learn to speak without conversation. Find opportunities to talk. Join our Telegram group. Meet other English learners and start chatting. The link is in the description. Speaking with real people will improve your confidence. If you feel shy, start with small steps. Send voice messages in English. Join online discussions. Even writing comments in English can help. The more you interact, the easier it becomes to speak. 8. Tell stories. Stories are a great way to practice speaking. Tell a story about your day, your past, or a funny experience. If you don't know what to say, listen to our stories and try to retell them in your own words. This will help you think and speak naturally. When you tell a story, don't worry about mistakes. Focus on expressing your ideas. If you forget a word, use another word. The goal is to speak without stopping. 9. Speak even when alone. No partner. No problem. Talk to yourself. Describe what you see. Practice different situations. Ordering food, introducing yourself, asking for directions. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Many successful learners practice speaking alone. They imagine conversations and speak out loud. This builds confidence and fluency. Try it. 10. Record yourself. Most people don't like their voice, but this method is powerful. Record yourself speaking. Listen to your pronunciation. Compare it with native speakers. Identify your mistakes and improve. Over time, you will sound better and feel more confident. You don't need a professional microphone. Use your phone. Speak for 1 minute every day. After 1 month, listen to your first recording and compare it. You will see big improvement. 11. Use simple English. Many learners try to use difficult words and complex grammar. This makes speaking hard. Use simple sentences. Instead of, I am enthusiastic about learning English, say, I love learning English. Simple English is clear and easy. The goal is communication. If you speak simply, people will understand you better. Over time, you can learn more advanced words. 12. Stay consistent. Speaking is like exercise. If you stop, you lose progress. Speak a little every day. Even 10 minutes is enough. Daily practice is better than studying for hours once a week. If you make speaking a habit, you will improve quickly. The key is to never stop. Final words. Now you know what to do. Stop studying and start talking. Use these tips and practice every day. Remember, speaking is the best way to learn. If you found this lesson helpful, share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment. What is your biggest challenge in speaking English? Join our Telegram group to find speaking partners. The link is in the description. See you in the next lesson. Remember, every day, We upload new educational videos and stories to keep your learning journey fun and engaging. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join us on this adventure toward mastering English. See you tomorrow.